Welcome guys to today's class. Let's solve this problem on the board. The sum of the series 4 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16 is, to solve it, check what form of sequences and series do they appear as. You will now see that you need to know whether it is arithmetic progression or geometric progression. Now, dot 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 means to infinity. You are trying to get the sum of this to infinity. Now, let's check. If we call this T1, T2, T3, T4, and so on, T2 over T1, what will it give you? Minus 1 over 2 divided by 4. That is minus 1 over 2 times 1 over 4 equal to minus 1 over 8. Okay? Now T3 over T2. What will it give us? 1 over 4 divided by minus 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 4 times minus 2 over 1. That is minus 1 over 2. Now, as I said, are they the same? No. You come by addition. Okay, T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Okay, this minus this, that means minus 1 over 2 minus 4. That will be giving me, okay, 4. That will be giving me 2 minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 9 over 2. Then T3 minus T2, that will give me 1 over 4 minus bracket 1 over 4 minus bracket. My T2 is minus 1 over 2, that is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. That will be giving us 1 plus 2, that is 3 over 4. You see, they are not the same. So, they do not follow arithmetic progression or geometric progression, looking at it this way. Now, I will now say, let me look at what strategy did they use here now. I will say, let me consider this only. Call this T1, T2, T3, instead of starting from 4. That means my T2 over T1 will be giving me 1 over 4 divided by minus 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 4 times minus 2 over 1 equal to minus 1 over 2. Then T3 over T2, that will be giving me minus 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 4. That will be giving me minus 1 over 8 times 4 over 1. That is minus 1 over 2. Wow. So what it means is that this one, this 4, will not be included. You know that here, that is 4. It's set to 4 plus 4 times minus will still give me 4 minus, which we have in the initial question, original question. So that means they want us to sort out this first. Wow. And this is in geometric progression. So what it means now is that when you see dot dot dot, it means sum to infinity, and it must obey the rule of geometric progression. We'll consider this. At this, we'll call this our first term. And in geometric progression, sum to infinity is the same, has a formula which says A all over 1 minus R. A all over 1 minus R. What is our A? Minus 1 over 2 divided by 1 minus, what is our R? Minus 1 over 2. Let's write it boldly. Our A is minus 1 over 2 divided by 1 minus, what is our R? Minus 1 over 2. So that will be giving us minus 1 over 2 divided by 1 times this plus, minus times minus plus, then 1 over 2 So minus times this is plus. So we'll be having it to be minus 1 over 2. This 1 plus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. That is 3 over 2. Okay. So change division to times 2 over 3. That will be giving us to be what? This cancel this. That will be giving us minus 1 over 3. So sum of these numbers will be giving me minus 1 over 3. Then I will now come and relate it to the original first number, which is 4 plus what I have summed. Totality of this thing I sum, that is sum to infinity, is minus 1 over 3. So I will now say 4 plus bracket minus 1 over 3. That will be giving me 4 minus 1 over 3 equals to LCM is 3. 3 times 12 minus 1 times is 1. So the answer, 12 minus 1, 11, all over 3. Answer. So while solving this question, after solving it, you will be getting the sum of the series to be 11 over 3. Thanks for watching the video.